I did not tell you guys, but I'm waxing everywhere. Let me apply the powder. Put it in. Right. Jesus. Oh. The girlies, most of the reviews, the girlies were going like this. Whatever this is, that's what I'm doing. So they rub it, they rub it, they rub it. Rub it. Then peel it. And you are supposed to, like, I don't think it matters, but what I'm going to do is also, I do not know how my hair grows. I don't know if it goes down, up, sideways, or the other way. I'm just going to put the wax on and pull it upwards. I'm gonna try and look to see if I can tell, but I don't really know. Yeah, my hair grows all different type of ways, so I'm just going to apply it under here. That's it. Can't tell if it's sideways, the other way, down or up. So I'm going to attach it like this so I can get a good grip from like this part to pull it up. Ding ding ding, ding ding ding. The girls who get it, get it. The girls who don't, won't. So you're just gonna peel it. And yeah. Ooh. Yeah. It's crazy how I really was looking forward to like a sweet almond scented thingy. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let me work with the mirror as well because the light is bright, so not really see anything. And girlies put them on over here, so like that, and then Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Mighty, mighty God, what have you done? Rub it under, whatever, smooth it out, smooth it out. Can't wait. No, sir. Why me, like I literally had the strength to do it a few minutes ago. Why, Rafaya? Rafaya, relax, relax, girl. Girl, stop once, a girl. Girl, stop once. You got this. You girly, you got this, girly. Stop once, so girly. Stop once, so. Stop once, so. Stop going like you're punk, my G. Stop going like you're punk, my Jenna. You got this. My Jenna, you got this, my Jenna. You got this. Stop going like you're punk. Why? if it's gonna creep you out or if you're gonna be like, ew girl, why would you do that? But I'm just gonna put it like right here. We don't want to creep you all out like too much, or for those who wanna see, here you go. But yeah. See, it's not that bad, so more is still left undo. And on the thing it says that you can put it back to keep putting it back. Yeah, it said that you can keep putting it back. Oh shit, put it the other way. Lord of mercy. Oh, me a peeling. It might like my penis. I want you never peel. Bad girl. But that sound like that doing but let me put more powder. Guys, are you seeing from me? Alright guys, to be honest, you know it's not that bad, but not tell no lie. This video is not sponsored by the way. Me, the one girl, she take her own money and buy what she see. See TikTok girlies that I use. Oh, but in now catching the girl on the armpit though. This way they go around in now. Catch me so good. Make it come. Watch it. Oh yeah. Me take my own $750 Jamaican and buy this y'all because this is some TikTok girlie I use it and we give them on my post. So you know sponsored, me I come to you live and direct with honesty and make you know walk one feet. You understand me? Yeah. Jesus! I'm going to brace up for more. Blood clean on my skin this? No, my love. Also guys, I saw a girl like she put the strips up in like portion because she said that she'd rather doing it that way. I think I might do it that way too because like as you can see in the creases and the little parts right here, a lot of the hairs didn't come out. So I think I'm gonna just cut some and try to pull them out like that. But yeah. I'm skin this or what? But this is not that bad. And the good thing about it guys, the hairs they are coming out. And like I said on the direction it does say you can use the same wax strip and repeat the process. So yeah. Like that, it's just in the middle, that's something. and I am going in one direction simply because I feel like that's the way to do it for me. So see, clean. It's just like in the little corners and corners, you know? But yeah, so far it's good for me. Let me cut one and try doing them to groups. Doesn't really hurt, to be honest. But yeah, I'm gonna probably speed it up a little because I'm looking at 12 minutes already and not the one armpit not done yet. So yeah, guys, the only thing that I'm upset about is that I was really looking forward to a smell good, nice, clean scent. Not that anything is wrong with the baby wipe scent or vibe that I'm getting from it or whatever, but you know, I'm wondering if I can do it in a different direction. Is it gonna cause some harm? I'm gonna Google it. I don't think it should be matter anyways. Guys, these parts are so smooth. Like I could just but yeah, gonna speed it up, y'all. I finished doing both arms and this is the result. I am now going to go over and head on to doing my, I don't know, I think that's TMI, but I'm going to do it and then give you guys a review. I don't want to do it for camera. I don't even know if that's allowed. Yeah, I am going to go ahead and wax my cooch. Because like I said, it's a full body wax.